Take command of the road in the 2015 BMW 328i xDrive. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All-wheel drive maintains traction at all 4 corners. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. BMW prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a leather steering wheel, an outside temperature display, rain-sensing wipers, and a split folding rear seat. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.